So this is a question number 5th का 7th part from the exercise 6.1. Okay. So again in this question he is saying find the perimeter of the shape. So actually this triangle is not in the shape. What is the perimeter? Perimeter is the length of the outer boundary. Okay. If you will look at your textbook, this triangle is given in dotted shape. Dotted means you will not count that length. Okay. So start from the one end. If I start from A, look at the blackboard picture. Can you see? This is one semicircle. And then from here, this is another semicircle. And then again, one more semicircle. So this shape has three semicircles. But all the three semicircles has different diameter. They don't have the same diameter. Okay. So if I have given the name of this semicircle as 1, so the diameter of the first semicircle is 8. Okay. So if I calculate the R1, so what will be the R1? 8 by 2. It will become 4 centimeter. This semicircle, I have given the name as 2 and the radius is R2. So what will be the value of R2? 6 by 2 and it will become 3 centimeter. But they did not give the diameter of the third semicircle. But can you see? ABC is a right angle triangle. So I can use the Pythagoras theorem. I will find the value of AC, right? And then I will make it half to get the radius of the third semicircle. So in triangle ABC, we will use the Pythagoras theorem. AC whole square, this is the hypotenuse, will be AB whole square and plus BC whole square. AB is what? 8 whole square. BC is what? 6 square. So 64 plus 36, you will get it as 100. So value of AC what? Square root of 100 and it will become 10. So what will be the third radius? Because this 10 is a diameter, AC is a diameter. So 10 by 2, how much you will get? 5 centimeter. So if I talk about perimeter of the shape, so what will be the perimeter of the shape? Again they are semicircles, right? So 2 pi R1 divided by 2. If you want direct, you can use pi R1 and don't write by 2 because we know the perimeter of the semicircle is pi R1. Second one will be the pi R2. Third one will be the pi R3. Can I take pi common? Yes. R1 plus R2 plus R3. Since the value of pi is not given, use at 22 by 7. R1 is 4, R2 is 3, R3 is 5. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. You will get 22 by 7 into 12. Do the multiplication. 12 to the 24. 12 to the 24 plus 2, 26 divided by 7. Again 264 divided by 7. We will do the long division till the 3 decimal place, right? As in every question I am saying, we will do the division till the 3 decimal place. So 7 3s are 21. It will be the 54. 7 7s are 49. Remainder will be the 5 0 decimal. 50 means again 7 7s are 49. It will be the 1 0. 7 1s are 7. It will be the 3 0. And 7 4s are 28. You will get remainder as 2. So what will be the value? 37.714. Look at the last digit. Since it is 4, it is not 5 or greater than 5. So this digit will remain same. So the answer will be 37.71 centimeters. Units will be the centimeters as in the given question. It is given centimeter. So the answer will be in the centimeter.